Let me be the first to say, welcome to Scrum Master Hackers. I'm really happy you're here. Like, seriously, this group, this community, this whole thing you've just joined, it might actually change your life. No kidding. Now, listen, in this quick video, I just want to talk to you, okay? Not lecture you, just a real convo. I'm gonna walk you through how this whole thing works, what you get access to, how to unlock even more good stuff, and how to actually get the results you came here for. Okay? Whether you're just exploring the role, already certified but stuck, or working and looking to grow. Okay? You're in the right place. All right? Cool. Let's go. Okay, so first, let's set the tone real quick. You probably joined this group because you're trying to become a Scrum Master, or maybe you're already certified but just can't seem to land that first job. Or maybe you're experienced and now you want to grow, coach others, and start making over 300K as a consultant. Whatever your reason is, you're in the right place. Trust me. Now, this group is kind of like your toolbox, all right? It's full of everything I personally used to go from someone with nothing to becoming a Scrum Master, then an Agile coach, and eventually a consultant. And this is really important. Even if you have the best tools in the world, if you don't use them, nothing's gonna happen. Let me explain. Imagine you're trying to dig a hole, right? We're handing you a strong, sharp shovel, not a spoon, not a toothpick, a real legit tool. But if you don't pick it up and start digging, nothing moves. You stay stuck. That's what this community is. We're not here to do the digging for you because we can't take your certification exam for you. We can't do your job interviews. And we definitely can't land that 300K consulting role on your behalf. But here's what we can do. We're here to give you the tools and show you exactly how to use them. You're in control. You're the driver here. We're just your GPS. We will guide you, but you gotta do the driving. You with me so far? Cool. Now, before I move on, can I tell you a quick story? People always ask me, why did you call it Scrum Master Hackers? Well, here's the reason. See, before all this, I wasn't some tech genius or agile expert. I was actually driving a taxi while I was in school, trying to become a web developer. Eventually, I did become a web developer, but I barely made any money. I capped at 70K a year. Then I discovered the Scrum Master role. I took courses, got certified, I applied to over 200 jobs, I paid someone to fix my resume. I hired an agile coach and I still got rejected 27 times in interviews. All in all, it took me 18 months and over $10,000 to land my very first Scrum Master job. That role paid me $105,000 a year, and it completely changed my life. From there, I started coaching teams, and eventually, I became the one interviewing other Scrum Masters, and that's when everything clicked. I started to see what actually worked, what hiring managers really look for, and how they read resumes, what makes a LinkedIn profile stand out, and what questions they ask in interviews, and why they ask them. So I started teaching all the shortcuts. But first, I tested them. I started with my wife. She was an accountant, no IT background at all. I showed her everything I knew, and she became a Scrum Master in 3 weeks. She got her first job in 5 weeks. And the crazy part? What took me 18 months and over $10,000, she did in just 8 weeks with only the $150 PSM1 exam fee. And yeah, I know today is $200. I was like, wow. So I decided to try it again. This time with my two brothers. One was a history teacher, the other, a car salesman at a dealership. No tech background at all, but they followed the same process. And within 8 weeks, both of them landed six-figure Scrum Master jobs. Then I reached out to 8 of my close friends. Same thing. They all became Scrum Masters, and today, my wife, my brothers, and my friends, they're all Agile coaches and consultants. That's when I knew this wasn't luck. This was a system. And since then, I've gone way beyond just helping people I know. Since 2018, I've helped over 1,000 people all around the world become Scrum Masters and secure their first six-figure careers. And that's why I call this group Scrum Master Hackers. Because the system, the job market, it's not fair. It doesn't always reward the best people. It rewards the ones who know how to play the game. So we're not here to play by the system. We're here to hack it together. You don't need to go back to school. You don't need 10 years of IT experience. You just need to learn the right things, take the right steps, and move smart. That's what this is all about. All right? Cool. Let's keep going. Now let's talk about all the cool stuff you get inside this free group. Think of this like your personal Scrum Master roadmap, but it's free. Here's a quick breakdown. The foundation, Scrum theory, advanced concepts, day-to-day life, leadership, metrics and KPIs, scaling Agile, job hunting tools, learning software tools like Jira, and on top of that, you will get access to at least one full coaching session every single week. Just click on Classroom in the community to access all the trainings. And check the calendar to join the live sessions. Pretty cool, right? Okay, now here's the fun part. Inside this group, the more active you are, the more you unlock. School works on a point system. Every time someone likes your posts or comments, you earn points. Simple as that. And when you hit certain points level, new trainings and bonuses unlock. So don't just sit and watch. Get involved. Show up. Say hi. Share a win. Ask a question. The more you show up, the faster you grow. And the more doors open up for you. Simple as that. All right, last thing before I let you go. I just want to remind you of this. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You don't need a background in IT. You just need to start. Start learning. Start showing up. Start believing that this is possible for you. The only difference between you and someone who already has the job is that they took action. So here's your first step. Watch the foundation course, introduce yourself inside the community, join your first live session, and get involved. We're here with you. We've got your back. So welcome again to Scrum Master Hackers.